Accurate. Now your first Warn 5 forecast.
Good Wednesday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Mathieu Mondro with your first Warn 5 update. Now, we've already had some active weather so far late this morning and at this lunch hour. There was a severe storm that moved through our northern tier of counties. But as we record this at around 12:30, that storm has moved off over into Lake Huron. The warning still goes until 12:45, but that may be canceled early just due to how quickly that storm actually moved off over into Lake Huron. But as we go through this afternoon, still looking at the chance for more strong to severe storms. Not going to rule out the possibility for an isolated tornado at least early on this afternoon out of some of the initial storms. But for today, like the storm that we just saw up north, we're still primarily talking a damaging wind gust threat with wind speeds between 60 to 70 miles per hour. So as we go through the afternoon, again, seeing more of these storms moving in from the western side of the state. They should take more of a linear structure, this line, as we head through the afternoon. And this is also where we see that threat for some stronger wind gusts too when we see these linear structures. But once we head past dinner time, that's when our severe threat comes to an end, but I still wouldn't rule out a few isolated pop-up showers or thunderstorms this evening and overnight. The Storm Prediction Center also still keeping us under that slight risk. We also have a slight risk or a scattered risk today for some flash flooding out of these storms because like Monday, there's a lot of moisture for them to feed off of, so we actually should be able to get quite some efficient rainfall out of these storms. It could pose some localized flash flooding in urban areas on some of our surface streets and also in low-lying areas too. It's also going to be a hot day today, upper 80s and lower 90s, dew points well into the 70s, so feeling very humid. We do turn the heat back down tomorrow, though, 81, 83 on Friday. The heat returns again for this upcoming weekend, but then some more rain and storm chances Sunday into Monday will cool us back off to the lower 80s once again by the start of next week.
Stay with WNEM TV5 on air, on the go, and online for more news and weather updates.